Hello, everyone, and my name is Matthew Sidoric. And for my Web 2.0 assignment, I chose to do Prezi. So, right now, we're going to show you how to get started up doing that if it's a software that you might be interested in. We are at the website prezi.com and has several options at the top and for that you can look through. You can also choose how it works, the templates that you could possibly use. It talks about being able to adapt it to different media formats like your iPhone or iPad and tracking your success with your presentations. But you would go up to the Get Started section. There are three different accounts that you can choose from. For educators, and students, it is free. I already have an account, so I'll go to the login section. Takes just a few moments. Okay, and it brings you to my personal screen. Basically, it shows a few different presentations that I've either been working on or worked on in the past. Gives you the option to do a new folder, or you can do your new presentation. So we'll go and click on the new presentation. Alright, it brings you to this screen, and in this screen you can choose between a variety of different templates for a new design. You can also, it's divided into subcategories by sales and business, development, marketing, education, nonprofit, HR, training, and general. There are a lot of different selections that you can choose from for your templates that you want to go to, but you can also sort it by maybe a particular color scheme. Like if you want a lot of blue in it, you can click on blue or pink, and it will just limit you to that color range basically. But if we clear the filter, you can also go to education and nonprofit, and it pulls up a few of them that are specifically designed for teachers and things like that, with the title of the report. One right here I've used before, and a few other ones like that. Here's one that I use for my science thing in our presentation. Alright. So you'll basically choose your template based on something that you'd like to do or something that catches your eye for the students. And it is also subdivided by different levels based on the complication of it. Like you have your novice or beginner, which will only have like 4 different subcategories, or if you're looking for something a little bit more difficult, you can choose either the mastered or skilled level. So they are rated so that you can, choose something simple at first and then work your way up. Let's go ahead and try this one. Click it, and it pulls it up in a subscreen and asks if you want to basically use that template. My internet's a little bit slow right now. Alright, and since we chose it and it looks pretty good to me, we'll go ahead and click on use this template. Alright, and when it pulls you up on this screen, you get several options. You can either get started with the template that's already there. Mine ask me if I would like to upload a background image or revert. I can just click out of backgrounds and theme because I want to select this one, and it will leave it the way it is. Over on the left, it gives you your main overview and your different subsections so that you can pick a particular one and start, or you can just click on them simply and start editing directly right there. Up at the top, it has your color scheme. You can change colors, you can decrease the thickness of the lines. You can select and add animations really right there. You have your top file screen, which allows you to save, your edit, which allows you to do your cut, copy, and paste. Insert, if you want to insert anything particular on one of your subsections, like either a separate topic or a text screen, charts or images, videos, or anything like that that you want to add to your presentation for a particular slide, you can do that in the insert section. You have your animation screen right here, where you can select if you want it to zoom in on the particular area of the slide or anything like that. Your view would allow you to change your background and theme. Also, it would pull up that screen that you saw right at the beginning. You can show the animation so you'll know exactly what the slide's going to do. If you've added animations, or you got your present section right here where you can do the presenter view, which gives you more options if you have the third and final account. Live Prezi, you can view them, show them online, or send them to your students on whatever media device they're using. And then you have your help screen right here. Here are some other ones where you can view comments, share things, and show collaborators for a particular project if you're working with another teacher or something like that. But about this, if you need any help or having any problems, you have a knowledge base or the Prezi support key. Pull that up, and it has a subsection area where you can basically look for any particular problem that you're having, like if you're having a problem with presenting or creating or getting started using the present with Live Prezi, if you're having problems sharing things or downloading a presentation to view someone else has done. But altogether, it's relatively simple. It just takes a little bit of trial and error at first, and making sure like it's pretty simple. You can click on each subsection and add things either at the top or on that particular thing. Say I wanted to remove that part. Oh, let's go back. Say I wanted to change the title. It's not going to cooperate with me. Alright. Now it's going to let me on this one. Okay, if I wanted to change the title, I'd just delete the section and add in whatever particular item that I'm looking for. And then it will, of course, save your changes if you edit out of the screen or go back to the original. Hello stays there. Voila. So, all relatively simple and great tool for using for presenting notes or graphic design. As you can see, each has subsections, things like that you can use in the classroom. Alright, well thank you very much, and y'all have a wonderful day.